Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off the low power mode to increase your performance on MacBook Air M4. As you can see, my battery is being displayed as orange right now, and that means that low power mode is on. That reduces some background activities, refreshes mail less frequently, changes the screen brightness just a bit, and if you want to disable it so it's just a bit better performance, you can go to settings and battery, then set low power mode to never, or only on battery, or only on power adapter, depending on your needs. And that's basically everything. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.